Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Video number 4.
Give a thumbs up and subscribe. Tell your friends, family to subscribe to our channel. We have slime. We just did another slime.
Because in the future we will get very good at editing because we did not edit any of our photos.
Yeah,
videos.
because we like busy. So
Yeah.
Let's get started at our next video.
Okay.
Today we're gonna be making slime
Again.
We're gonna use the clear glue. Make you
This much.
Thợ bị mình yêu camera hả?
Yeah. So. Whatever, my hands already dirty. Put my sleeves up, people.
You wanna use some of this little of them? I'll
Sure.
get back here.
Okay, this is gonna get so dry.
I'm gonna use yellow.
Yeah, we're gonna use yellow. We're gonna make like a butter slime.
I can't fucking.
Why did not come out?
How do? Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh my hand.
What? No, what if they just stick to there? Yeah, you have to open. Oh, the paintbrush is already there too.
Oh.
Bueno, te lo quita con mano, o trong un po'
Yeah, we got so much.
then even
Oh shoot.
Okay.
yeah, well, tiền
Whatever.
Okay, let's use a tie.
Okay.
Pour a little bit.
Now I'm gonna use this one. Okay.
Oh, it has two then? Oh, okay. Use a lot of nó không nói ha.
No, I'm gonna just use this.
chứ mình thấy chơi cũng mà chơi này thấy là tiêu
We mix glitter with like kind of like the clear glue so they.
No, she's just doing it.
No.
thấy kêu góp đi chạy người ý
You should stick instead. It's better.
Move a minute, but
Okay.
Can I add some more glue?
okay.
My bad.
Oh.
Still hủy một cái gì nữa. Cái chuột gì play này.
Grandma, don't tell anyone.
I'm just gonna do a light yellow of them. I can't really see the lightning is bad.
Yes, her lighting is very bad.
mà là order đọc cái sao ăn đơn nào đơn
So nó đi.
rất là mình là order đọc sao một số
Now let's add the tie.
Okay.
We're gonna use a tie again. The tie is so good, bro.
Yes.
Smell good too.
yeah
Sorry guys.
đọc sao này mình đang lên mà
And then, like, if it goes to a dark color, then we will add the food coloring again, of course. Go ahead.
Ma, add some tie now. Add my glue, Kitty.
I don't care. We can buy more. Oh, it come a lot. Oh, fuck you, bitch.
No, thank you.
Okay, let me use it all then.
Oh!
But like a
No,
little.
you use this.
Ah.
I didn't know it was gonna. I thought it was gonna close like good.
What?
Wow, just wow, like
No.
huh?
Wanna go do math?
Yeah. I need to go do math more, probably. Why you don't go do mail?
Lazy ass bitch. But they don't really curse as us.
I don't know. You usually, yeah, always like you always go play.
I know, right?
Guys, mine is not yellow. It's turning like green. Let me add more yellow.
Mine is coming perfect.
nên là phụ nên nó
Sorry if I'm bragging so
thằng
much.
pin má nó điêu
I need more tide.
nhưng mà
Oh, I just
còn
my plate.
Oh, shoot.
okay.
Oh, well, you can just get
Nghe
another one.
pha mà
Oh, sorry, guys.
Yeah, we forgot. Pin.
Mình mua qua mua
So,
Đúng rồi.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna use my
မ
hands.
ကိုင်း
Cái đồ mi cái nó video nó.
ဆက်ရတယ်
Cái nó video ni. Cái nó video.
ဒီမိုတော့နဲ့ချတယ်ဒီမိုနဲ့ညချတယ်
Okay, I'm gonna use more Thai since it's a little bit sticky.
မကွာနော်
Shoot.
Oh, it's working, guys.
Yeah.
But mine kind of green and more yellow.
Yeah, me too.
Wow. Ui, I can hear like the sound like it's just.
Oh,
Mine's not really turning out how I want it to be, but I'm gonna fix it.
Oh, you want to go sell it to the apartment people like how to use the good way
Yeah.
for like extra $2. Tibo. He in the
Ria, nah.
Huh?
Ria.
Her name is Ria?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. I never know her name.
No, like the two person who came, like who knocked on the door, or you had to go buy it.
Yeah, that one.
You had to go buy it.
No, you have to go buy or they can come knock on our door.
Oh.
Yeah.
The one that you had to go buy is Christina.
Oh.
Yeah, my brother used to like her. Shush.
Guys, it's working. Butter slide.
But we had to add clay, so it's not butter slime yet.
I know. Wait, so we just add the cream, like we just like how say
Mix
cheese
it.
noodle.
Uh.
Mix it with the slime.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I didn't know.
Never knew how cruel of you. Guys,
The man at that prima man, you man, so I can put it down so I'm making the floor dirty. The more try about it.
sorry guys if we're not talking in English.
Yeah.
Oh, comment down below if you want a shout out and if you want us to do a spicy noodle challenge.
Oh yes, two times.
Yes,
Two
2 times.
My friend said I'm gonna cry eating the spicy noodle challenge. Oh my god, my dad's so funny. He always say the nail. Oh my god.
Okay. Now I'm
Can you give me the time? Look, mine is not that.
Oh!
Ngô,
Huh?
mà vấn đề này
Oh, mine or no?
mà có đi được vào vấn đề là kỳ rồi.
Can you give me the time?
Yeah.
Mine is not very like stretchy. Like it's sticky.
Yeah.
she can have some
Let me use some.
Vấn đề là đi
she
kỳ
can
bù
use some.
mà.
Who?
Oh,
This
you
is spicy.
should use the favorite one the first time.
I know we're about to use the clay.
She's gonna cry. She's gonna cry.
I like it.
2 minutes left.
Like later on in our video, we're gonna add it in our video, okay? So right now we're busy, so
You should have more posts and stuff.
we're gonna be posting almost every day, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Only if we like not that busy.
Yeah, because like,
Right
we
now
also
we
have
kinda-
dance practice.
Yeah. Right now we're kind of busy, but like we still playing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna open this.
Meh.
I don't smell anything. I don't smell my hand. Oh, wait. It smells good. What you talking about? Hey, I shouldn't have taken out the whole thing out since I'm gonna use a little. I'm gonna use this much. My bad.
Okay. Oh, the clay. It's hard.
So guys, I'm just putting it in my clay. See?
Yeah, Mama.
So hard. The clay's so hard.
I know, right?
Ooh.
Đi tới giặc nào đi đi.
The clay, oh my god, guys. 9. Our time is supposed to be up. It's 9.
Oh, shoot.
We Okay, guys, this is how we do butterfly.
The slime. You just gotta add in the clay, but we're running out of time, so we are just gonna end it here.
Yeah.
But next time we're
Peace.
gonna have more time. Peace out.
Bye.